everyone, I am here today to unbox the God's Glory box for February 2021. If you have seen my previous videos, God's Glory box is really cool. It's a monthly reminder of God's glory. You'll get usually one clothing item. Sometimes in the winter you won't get something like that, or you might just get socks or a hat or something like that, but usually it is a shirt that you'll get. And then a few little other things, just little simple things. So let's see what is in here. The February box. It says that we have a shirt. We have 2 shareable cards and envelopes. We have a mystery bonus item. We have some downloadable ebooks. And then some downloadable songs. So I'm going to have to say a lot of the stuff that's in the box sometimes will be downloadable, where you can get ebooks or music or stuff like that. Just because this is a small box. So they try to do what they can to fit everything in here. So this is one of the shareable cards. This is a beautiful card. I really like that. That's very pretty. These 2 are the shareable things that usually I can mail off to a friend. This is, for this month, it's a monthly devotional planner. And it tells you how to get it. And then this is another download. They don't usually have that many downloads in here, but this is another download, and this would be for, I believe, 3 new songs from this lady Lorraine. And then this was the mystery item, and it is a necklace that says, "She is clothed in strength and dignity, and she laughs without fear of the future." Proverbs 31:25. It's talking about the Proverbs 31 woman. And then the shirt for this month, let's see here if I can get this undone. I believe it says "Love Never Fails." So let's see. Yeah, love never fails. And then we've got 1 Corinthians 13:8. So that was the box for this month. If you guys love them, check them out at godsglorybox.com. And make sure to know that they actually do promote small businesses, and they do donate meals every year to feedingamerica.com. For every single box that they send out, they do donate for meals for kids around the United States and for families too. So I hope you guys check them out. And again, they are God's Glory box, and this was the February 2021 box.